Follows and likes. Let's go back a few years. It was a big thing. Your share, follow, like, all the rest of it. Social media. And if you genuinely want to use social media for your business, which technically you should, because every single person in the UK is looking down on their phone, not forward. So you want to be making sure that your business is looking up at that. So using social media is obviously a key, whichever platform, does not matter. You've got to remember that these social media platforms are a business, okay? And what they want, and they only want one thing from you, is to spend time on their platform so that they can have more of an opportunity to market to you, sell to you, and sponsors, whatever the case may be. So the more time you spend on a platform, when you actually genuinely want to use it for your business, in other words, instead of just watching everything else, when you actually start pushing, you're going to get to a stage where they will reward you more. They're going to favor you over someone that doesn't, comment, just somebody who browses is great, but what they're after is engagement. They want people who firstly, don't like always heart, because it has more value, and the algorithm prefers people who genuinely heart and not like. So it's just a little top tip there. Right. But instead of just liking, believe it or not, it's easier to go to the comment box and just put a thumbs up. That is classed as engagement. Okay. And you will be rewarded more for engaging with other people on Facebook, your customers, potentially, etc. Right, now let's move to a post that I saw this morning. Trevor nailed it. This guy asked about, look, why don't we, you share more on the groups? Why don't we follow each other and connect? If you genuinely want to connect with people, then my advice is connect with them. But that's not why we use Facebook. I've got my own friends that I stay in touch with, and I've got a different profile that I use for that. I use this profile for business. So what I do is I don't follow people and I don't connect with people. So I just have the key people that I need. And I obviously use Facebook and my business page more so to obviously stay in touch. Don't follow other decorators, please. And don't allow other decorators to follow you. Don't get in the vanity trap. Don't get to a point where you just want the numbers. Oh, I've got your 1,500 followers. Yeah, that's great. 1,000 of them are fellow decorators. If you want to follow decorators, join the groups, but don't follow them. And the reason being is, if and when you decide to use social media as a marketing tool, who is going to get your content? Your followers. Who are the majority of your followers? Fellow decorators. Are these decorators going to buy your services? Come on, seriously. This is why I'm trying to say, if you want to use social media in a better way, then we're going to be talking about this like we always do in different videos. If you've got any questions of how to use social media in a better way for your business, a decorating business, because that's all we are, it's something we've done for many years. So we are pretty good at it, and we have helped a lot of other people. So if you've got any questions, we'd love to hear them. Cool, get busy.